With over 19 years of experience in the carpet cleaning industry, Truman Steamers is your #1 rated carpet cleaning company in the Gwinnett County area. Our highly educated professional technicians are here to provide you with the best quality service for your residential and commercial properties. Our services include upholstery, mattress, hardwood floor, as well as tile and grout cleaning. Only using the safest, most effective technology to assure not only your satisfaction, but your safety as well as your children and pet safety too. You can trust that with Truman Steamers, you won't have to deal with any bait and switch tactics. We offer great prices with no hidden charges, all backed by our 100% money-back guarantee. Always taking pride in making sure every customer is satisfied with our service, contact us today for your free estimate and let Truman Steamers take care of all your cleaning needs.